Alright, so here we go on the Craftsman 3000 series Toolbox Tour. For my top drawer here, I've got all sorts of random little knickknacks, just kind of things that'll fit in a flat surface. As you can see, the drawer's not very deep. Once again, just all sorts of little doodads that'll fit in here that you might need and you don't want to lose. Okay, right next to that, it's also another really narrow drawer. Got some nut drivers, some chisels, some files, taps, bits, just all sorts of little flat guys. I got some picks over here, hiding down in here. Yeah, right there, some little microscopic picks, some punches, that sort of stuff. Right below that, got all my hex keys. Some big guys back there. It's also another flat drawer. Haven't quite filled this one out yet. Got my T-handle hex and some of the bigger nut drivers, some batteries, some C-clamps, saws, piece of pipe, just a couple random odds and ends from plumbing. This is the meters and crimping tools and solder and wire and keyboard and mouse and spare circuit boards and just kind of stuff drawer, electrical stuff, wire, soldering iron, programmer, couple relays over here, that sort of thing. I got a lot more to put in there, but at any rate, that's what I got in there for now. Over here we got some pipe taps, some shackles, chain links, pulley. Also got plumbing fittings in here, brass, air. I got my metric spare bolt and nut size gauge, basically. Some nail polish for painting. A little paint gun, digital air pressure meter. Now onto the bottom chest. Got all the goodies in here. Naming my tools there, as you can see. This side's all standard tools. I got sockets in those 2, 3 tins, spark plugs, all my ratchets, extensions, swivels, various smaller standard wrenches, some Torx, some triple squares, rather, all the metric stuff over here, wrenches and sockets and all the like. Got 2 sets of these. Okay, we got another deep drawer here. I got a torque wrench back there, breaker bar, little air pump with a battery. Got my jump pack here. Got a grid dip meter underneath that. I think those are Pokemon cards and a journal from when I was in Germany, and some baling wire, some electrical tape. Just kind of stuff for now. Needs a place to be. All the screwdrivers, flatheads, Phillips. Kind of standard nut driver. And then I got all my drill bits, hole saws, router bits, masonry bits, you name it, bits, some chucks, that sort of thing. Down here, I got hammers and vice grips and a vacuum meter and ring compressor, oil filter, wrench, hammers, tape measure, hacksaw, jigsaw. I guess that's not a jigsaw, but miter or coping saw. Some just a few pipe wrenches. I use those quite often. Found some really good deals at some secondhand stores on them. Hand tools, anything with basically that could have a spring on it or has a peened sort of assembly. Some staples, staplers, hole punches, and then the deep drawer, which seems to be get caught up. Got the big old wheel down there, big old tape. Probably have a few more things to put in there, just haven't gotten around to it yet. And then impact air guns, air ratchet, air scaler, orbital sander, and then one of those fine tip tool things, multi vibrator. Oh, I guess there's a what do you call them? Not a jigsaw, but anyway, jigsaw down there. So that's that, and then on the top here, I got some stickers, got some power, got some drill charging stations, got a old tube tester here in the box, got some nuts and bolts, got a paint cup, old filament meter from radio, and then another meter behind that. Got the old central pneumatic paint gun behind that. Should probably go back because it leaked right out of the box. Yeah, just stuff up here. Not terribly clean, but that's what happens when I clean out the rest of the shop. So anyway, there you go. Craftsman toolbox.